Hi, my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, as you know, Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and I've decorated my table for Thanksgiving, and I wanted to bring you guys along and let you see what I have come up with. And to give you some ideas and some inspiration for your Thanksgiving tablescape. Okay, so this is Glam meets Dollar Tree for Thanksgiving. Now, if you would like to see how I put this all together, please keep on watching. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start right here at this place setting. Um, this red placemat came from the Dollar Tree, and the charger also came from the Dollar Tree as well. The plates also came from the Dollar Tree. They are white plates with the gold rim around them, and I thought these were just so beautiful. The napkin came from a DIY, and the napkin ring also is a DIY as well. All I did was put some gems around the Dollar Tree napkin ring. So Glam can meet Dollar Tree at the table for Thanksgiving. And you can do DIYs if you're so inclined to. Now the silverware came from Walmart, and it is gold, and I think it's just absolutely beautiful. And my theme, as you can see, is gold and red for Thanksgiving. Moving right here to the wine glass, I only have one wine glass for each setting. I don't have any water glasses on here. I just chose not to put them on for this setting. Um, the coaster right here is a DIY also. You've seen this many times before. The little votive here is also a DIY. The leaf there, that's from Dollar Tree. And this coaster is a DIY as well, where I just added the thankful words on it. For my centerpiece, I have my Z Gallery Bella collection of my candlesticks, which you've seen in a haul. I will link that up above in the cards. I have two of them, one on each side. And the pumpkin vase, that came from Burlington. And I just have some lights inside of it. You could put a candle in it, but I chose to put the twinkling lights inside. And the flower arrangement here is assortment of Dollar Tree and from Michael's. The ones that you've seen with the gem ring around it, that came from Michael's. And these candles right here, the battery operated candles, are from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to take you on the other side. All of these napkin rings I DIY'd myself, and the napkins. I have a little tassel right here that I just chose for decoration. I have my Dollar Tree pumpkin right there. And I also have my pillow covers that came from the Dollar Tree as well. So that is what I put together for my Thanksgiving table. I'll be hosting Thanksgiving again this year, as I do every year. And I just wanted to come up with something to hopefully give anyone out there that needed some ideas and some inspiration. And the runner, the red runner, that is also from Dollar Tree. So guys, if you love this video, please give it a like. Please don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below and share this video with your family and your friends. And until next time, guys, bye-bye, my loves, and happy Thanksgiving.